Yo, sister. I think you guys put me in a season that's very. Because I don't understand this girl, and she always has a problem. I think she always has to look for something in me. Yo, my sister, yo. I am really tired. At the moment, I really wanted to speak. My heart was so, like, I've never felt like full. I felt full here. Like, it wanted me to talk. But I'm glad everyone was just Didi, ignore her, keep quiet. I just hope Big Brother is seeing all of this. Because to be honest, brother, I speak, sister, I see it as provoking. It's provoking. It's the same way people said I provoked Q. I get them. I did. I probably provoked him. And there's certain things I said that I shouldn't have said. I also take full accountability of it. But she's also doing the same thing right now, and I'm trying not to react. Does it only get a punishment, or does Big Brother address such only when I react, or even when I don't react? Because this is provoking. This is bullying. She's saying certain things that are just rude. Like, they're just personally dying for me and my feelings. Knowing that, I think she knows that I have a small fuse. I'm kwaka. I'm 100 shooter pelamina. So I think she knows that, and she's calculated. And she knows I had 2 strikes. No, sister. And also with this